In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see blocked users in Google Meet. This is an essential tool if you're managing meetings and need to maintain control over who can and cannot participate. Understanding how to navigate these settings ensures your virtual meetings run smoothly and securely. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open Google Meet. You can do this by simply heading over to the Google Meet website in your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, you'll notice your profile icon typically located in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on this profile icon. Your profile holds the key to accessing a variety of settings, including account management and privacy controls, which are crucial for managing your interactions on Google Meet. After clicking on your profile, look for an option that says Manage your Google account. Selecting this will redirect you to a new tab or page specifically dedicated to managing all aspects of your Google account. This is where all your personal information, privacy, and security settings are housed. It's essentially the command center for your Google identity. Once you are on the Google account page, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll see several options, but the one we're interested in is titled People and Sharing. Clicking on this will bring up a range of options pertaining to who can interact with you and how your interactions are managed. This section is very useful if you want greater control over your social experience on Google services. Now, to see who you've blocked, scroll through these settings until you find the section labeled Blocked. Click on it and you'll be shown a list of users you've blocked previously. This interface is straightforward but offers powerful control over your communication settings. It's important to take a quick look through this list periodically, especially if there may have been any accidental blocks or changes in your communication needs. Knowing how to access and manage your list of blocked users helps ensure that your Google Meet experience is tailored to your preferences, keeping unwanted participants out and maintaining a professional environment. If you want to unblock anyone from this list, you can easily do so right from this page by selecting the appropriate action next to the user's name. And there you have it. A quick and effective guide to viewing your blocked users in Google Meet. Whether you're running a tight ship in your virtual meetings or simply curious about maintaining digital boundaries, this is a handy skill to have. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you find this guide helpful for your Google Meet endeavors. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. We'll catch you in the next tutorial.